Welcome to Module 3, the RDWorks Interface Basics. By the end of this module, you'll be able to identify the main areas of the software, draw and edit simple shapes, import a file, and save or export a job that's ready to send to the laser machine. Let's start by looking at the RDWorks home screen. At the very top is the menu bar, with options like File, Edit, Draw, Config, Handle, Tool, Model, View, and Help. Below that is the top toolbar, which contains common shortcuts such as New, Open, Save, Zoom, Undo, and Redo. On the left side is the Drawing toolbar. This is where we create shapes like rectangles, circles, lines, and text. In the center is the Work area, shown here with a grid and a black rectangle. This black outline represents the machine's working bed. The arrows in the top left corner indicate the machine origin direction. On the right side is the Layer and Parameter panel. This is where we control speed, power, and layer color. At the bottom right is the Laser Work panel, which contains Start, Pause, Stop, and File output controls. Now let's take a closer look at the Work area. The grid helps with alignment and spacing. You can zoom in and out using the mouse wheel or the zoom icons on the top toolbar. The black rectangle defines the usable laser bed. Anything placed outside this area will not be processed by the machine. Now let's start drawing. Click the rectangle tool on the left toolbar. Click once in the workspace, drag, and click again to finish. Next, select the ellipse tool and draw a circle. To add text, click the text tool, type a short word, and place it on the workspace. To select an object, use the arrow selection tool at the top of the left toolbar. Click and drag to move objects around. Use the handles to resize objects or enter exact values in the property bar at the top. With objects selected, we can now edit them. You can also use the rotate controls in the top property bar to rotate an object by a specific angle. The mirror buttons allow you to flip objects horizontally or vertically, making it easy to reverse their orientation with a single click. To align objects, select more than one shape. Use the alignment tools in the top toolbar to center, align edges, or space objects evenly. These tools help keep designs clean and professional. Next, let's import an existing file. Go to File, then Import, and select the provided DXF or AI file. After importing, check the size of the design. Clean up the design so the laser follows clear, single paths. Now let's save our work. Go to File, then Save, and store the project as an RLD file. This file keeps all layers and settings editable. And that's a wrap for Module 3. Make sure to practice using the tools until moving around the workspace feels natural. See you in the next module.